I'm Sri Dr. Francis from Mental Life Coach, live here. PSI. This is Washington Plaza. We'll be making a tour together in a small place where I am. Life is good. Weather is good. Ntihashyushye, ntihakonje, so biri hagati aho. People are moving, cars, more buildings. As you can see, this is USA. This is Washington Plaza Hotel, where I am living. This is my hotel, Washington Plaza Hotel, 10 Thomas Circle. Very good hotel here in Washington DC. We are close to National City Christian Church. We're very close. And it is in the city center. Of course, very near to White House. I will be visiting more in this city, Washington DC, and not only Washington DC, but we'll try to take you around Virginia, California, Texas, Florida, Michigan, New Jersey, after this Washington DC. And the good news, dufite akazi tuzaba tuba connecting aho vuba cyane ku babyifuza, kari muri Oklahoma, Mississippi, Kansas, New Mexico, Montana, muri Maine na Colorado. We have some vacancies for those who wish to work in the hotel. Shaka Kora muri tourism company, sales company. So dufite imyanya muri iyo miji maze kubabwira. So what contactinga kuri iyo nimero ya Dr. Francis +250 788 300 456. When you're around here in Washington DC, you can join me in my hotel where I am. Then we can discuss more about it. This is our hotel. You can see the pool. I will be taking you around.